So if the whole video process, editing process is kind of slow, or you feel things are slowing you down, then I've got you 3 tips how you can improve your editing flow process, steps you could take to make it faster and easier. So the first thing I would recommend doing is doing things in batches, like batch recording, batch editing, batch doing research, where you set a specific time during the week just for research, just for editing. And this helps you pre-edit things beforehand. So in cases where you're not able to post a video on a certain day, you still have plenty of able to post. Second, editing itself can be quite challenging, especially if you're newbie to it. So use things like Descript or Firecut AI. These are the tools that I use and that help me tons, be much faster. If you want to check them out, look at the link below and use my referral code that will help you get better pricing. And then thirdly, the thing I use is, and the third thing before my video gets too long is get a camera that you can use easily, that fits in your pocket. Just take it out and shoot. If you wonder which cameras you could use, look for an Insta360 Go Ultra or maybe a 360 camera like for DJI or Insta360 itself. Let me know in the comments what you think, what helps you getting more faster, and what are the things that are slowing you down currently in your editing process. Cheers!